Hi guys, today we're on board the 58 to Heworth on Devildo Day. Still no idea. It's only been, I only got, this is the run up to 6905 to be fair. And got an empty top deck on 6901. Not gonna do a walk around because of COVID, but I can say very nice vehicle this is. Sorry about the background noise. Someone downstairs seems to be talking a bit loud. I think it is basically in go-ahead London condition. Nothing has changed apart from the livery since it had left London. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. I don't know what's happening with the birds. Some scenery. Actually, I can see the bridge from here. I can see Biker in the west of the city. Not quite the center. How? And Wall's End over there. I can see Wall's End. Really? Oh, jeez. Well, that hill's made this bus a hoover. Three again. Very. No clue what that sound is. Being second down, these buses still have the little bridge alert. I like these. The hoovering stopped, I think. Interesting fact. If you guys have been watching this channel since 2018, I think it was maybe in the summer or the spring of 20. When these no, it would have been summer 2018. I'm wanting to say. This was actually my first ever dual door. When me and KWT had this on the 900. Don't know if you guys can remember that. I certainly can. don't know if you guys have also been viewing since then, but you know, if you are long-term viewers of the channel, you may remember this being my first ever dual door. Anyway guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.